This video will show how to create and edit the pens of your AgResult locations. Pens are important because the system needs to know where your animals are throughout your location so that when delivering feed to those pens, that feed and the cost of feed can be distributed to the correct groups of animals or the lots. So once you log into AgResult, the left menu, you want to go under the herd section, and there's a pens option. That page will display any existing pens you have created for your current location. So in this example, we have 7 pens. In the example we wanted for this video, we're going to create a new pen by clicking this blue button at the bottom left, and we're going to give this, we're going to call this pen 8, and we're going to just say new pen with slats. We're going to describe it as a bunk pen. You can also create a hospital pen if you want to distinguish that differently. And let's say we can fit 120 head in this pen, and we want to feed this 8th, so that if we are feeding with these other pens, we know we want to feed this as the final pen. Now you can see here on the right side we have total heads is empty because we just created this pen and we don't have any lots in it. But once you do move pens into this, or move lots into this pen, you will see a value here similar to these other pens. So we're going to look at pen 7, which was an existing one, just to show you what that looks like. And here you can see in this lots tab, we can see that we have one lot in this pen of 66 heads. If you have multiple lots in the same pen, you will see that here. You will see just all of the lots that are there. And at the top here, you'll see the total heads. That's a sum of all the lots that are in the pen. And these other pieces of information are just the things that you entered when you created. And pen movements will show you all of the movements from this pen or to this pen. So in any time you're receiving animals into this pen, you will see this here. Anytime you're shipping animals from this pen, you will see a pen movement. And anytime you're moving between this pen, so you're either sourcing from this pen to a different destination pen, or you are sourcing from a different pen into this pen as the destination pen. So this is just like a log of anything that ever touched this pen. So in order to edit a pen, which is essentially the same thing as creating a pen, except it just allows you to change this information if you want to. So for an example, if you expand a pen or you want to change this information of either the max head capacity or the feeding order, you can change it here. If you want to describe it differently, if you want to change the name or the description, you can do that here, and then you can click save. And back on to the pens screen, your changes would be updated.